Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be working on another summer project and I wanted to share this with you. This is from the year 2014, maybe 2015. I am still working on my scrapbook pages, trying to catch up, and I'm going to be using the collection by Photo Play. I believe it's called Summer Daydreams. And one of the main reasons why I picked this collection is because the colors are so vibrant and so beautiful. I am going to start sorting through my paper to see which one is the one that I'm going to end up using as the base. At this moment, I ended up choosing the stripe one, but I did not end up using it. Typical me, I end up changing ideas in the middle of the projects. So let's just focus on trimming our pictures. I am making sure they all are the same size, which is 3 by 4. And the reason for that is because I am only using a single page. That's a single 12 by 12 page. And I'm going to be loading it with 4 pictures. Now I am going to kind of play around with the layouts to see how I want to work it before I start securing everything down. So you guys, inking the edges is like my solution to everything. I thought that the white kind of blended in with the background of this page, and inking it was the solution. So let's go ahead and add our double-sided tape, and then we're going to adhere that to our base paper. I ended up cutting, well, I lied earlier, you guys, sorry. Sorry. I ended up cutting the paper 3 by 4. The pictures are just a tad bit smaller, and I ended up choosing different background from the collection. As you guys can see, I ended up using blues, yellows, and reds, just different mixture. But at the same time, I wanted to incorporate the colors that are mixed in our base page. As you guys can see, it's got like circles of all the colors, yellows, reds, blues, greens. So I wanted to bring some of those colors that are in the background to the front. And now I am going to be using a 4x6 journaling card that came. It was actually a 12 by 12 page, but you know that I like to trim them so that I can make it like a journaling card. And inking it up, you guys, why should I even explain? You guys already know. So now for sure I'm gonna be adhering this one, since I know this is the layout that I am going to be adding. I'm bringing in a few stickers, kind of deciding, you know, what it is that I want to make a little cluster of, and I am going to begin adhering my pictures. Towards the end of the video, I am going to be showing you the pocket page that I created to go along with this single page. And I believe that this is going to be it, guys. I am going to finish out the video by just adding a lot of stickers, a lot of more of those dots, and also the sticker sheet came with like bubbles. So I'm adding that as well throughout the page. I'm going to leave you here. I hope that you enjoyed this video enough to consider subscribing. If not, that's okay. We still love you over here. So I hope that you guys have a good week. If you're one of my subscribers already, thank you for your patience. I know that you're probably tired of seeing really old pictures that I'm still going through and not being able to upload as often as I would like. Thank you for understanding that. So we will see you guys soon. If you have any questions, you know the deal. Just leave me a comment below and I will answer them as soon as I can. Thank you so much, and we will see you guys soon. Have a blessed week.